Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
Limits as x approaches a, the 0 over 0 case, where factoring can help us. Let's look at an example. The limit as x approaches 3 of x squared plus 4x minus 21, all divided by x squared minus 9. Our first job is to plug in 3 and evaluate. You can check for yourself, but when you plug in 3, you should end up with 0 over 0. When this happens, it indicates to us that we can simplify or rewrite this expression, so hopefully we'll be able to plug in 3. If we factor the numerator, it factors nicely into x minus 3 times x plus 7. Similarly, the denominator factors into x minus 3 times x plus 3. We can cancel out the x minus 3 factors, and that leaves us with the limit as x approaches 3 of x plus 7 over x plus 3. Now we can attempt to plug in 3 again, and we'll see we end up, this case, with 10 over 6, which reduces nicely to 5 over 3, and that's our limit.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.